Ever sent a Venmo payment, hit that green send button, and then, nothing? Or worse, seen that dreaded payment failed message? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo payments and exploring all the reasons why your transactions might be getting rejected. Now, Venmo is a fantastic way to quickly and easily send money to friends and family. But like any financial platform, it has its own set of rules and regulations. And if you don't play by those rules, well, your payments might get rejected. So, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Here are some of the most common reasons why your Venmo payment might be rejected. Insufficient funds. This one's a no-brainer. If you don't have enough money in your linked bank account or card, Venmo simply won't let you send the payment. Account limitations. Venmo may place limitations on your account if they suspect any suspicious activity. This could include things like high-risk transactions. If your payment history shows a pattern of high-risk transactions, Venmo might flag your account. Account security concerns. If Venmo detects any potential security threats to your account, they may temporarily restrict your ability to send or receive money. Violations of Venmo's terms of service. This could include things like using Venmo for illegal activities, sending payments to unsupported countries, or engaging in prohibited business activities. Technical glitches. Sometimes, payment rejections can simply be due to technical glitches on Venmo's end. This could include server issues, network problems, or issues with your device or internet connection. Now, let's talk about what you can do if your Venmo payment gets rejected. Check your balance. Make sure you have enough funds in your linked bank account or card. Review your recent activity. Look for any suspicious activity that might have triggered account limitations. Verify your account information. Ensure your account information is up to date and accurate. Contact Venmo support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to Venmo's customer support team. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and resolve any outstanding problems. Let's dive a little deeper into some specific scenarios. Sending money to a business. Venmo is primarily designed for peer-to-peer transactions. While you can use it for some business transactions, there are limitations. For example, you can't use Venmo for commercial sales of goods or services. Receiving money from a business. Similarly, receiving money from a business for goods or services is generally not allowed on Venmo. International payments. Venmo has limited support for international payments. You may encounter restrictions or fees depending on the country you're sending money to. Now, a word of caution. Security. Always prioritize the security of your Venmo account. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing scams. Scams. Be mindful of potential scams. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Disputes. If you have a dispute with another Venmo user, Venmo offers a dispute resolution process. However, it's always best to try and resolve issues directly with the other party first. Now, let's answer some frequently asked questions. Can I reverse a Venmo payment? In most cases, you cannot reverse a Venmo payment once it has been sent. What happens if I receive a fraudulent payment? If you suspect a fraudulent payment, you should immediately report it to Venmo. Can I use Venmo for charitable donations? Yes, you can use Venmo to make charitable donations. Now, it's your turn. Have you ever had a Venmo payment rejected? What was the reason? Share your experiences in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this. In conclusion, understanding the reasons why your Venmo payments might be rejected is crucial for a smooth and hassle-free experience. By following the guidelines and tips discussed in this video, you can minimize the risk of payment failures and ensure that your transactions go through smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.